Today we're diving into the biggest drama of the underworld, Hades and Persephone. Was it true love or the most controversial kidnapping in Greek mythology? Spoiler alert, there's pomegranates, betrayal, and a furious mother-in-law. Ready for some gossip? Let's go! Hades, the god of the underworld, is like the most misunderstood guy on Olympus. While Zeus and Poseidon were causing trouble, Hades just wanted to care for the dead and live comfortably in the dark. Educational fact: in Greek mythology, Hades wasn't a villain like in modern films. He represented the inevitable cycle of death and regeneration. The Greeks saw the underworld as a neutral realm, also called Hades, and this myth explains the cycle of the seasons, linking agriculture and fertility to the story of Persephone, daughter of Demeter, the goddess of the harvest. Imagine the scene. Persephone is there, picking flowers, having a good time, when Hades shows up in a sinister chariot and takes her to the underworld. Like, hello? No invitation, no dinner, straight to a date in hell. Persephone stays there, and Demeter, her mother, freaks out and turns the earth into a desert. Zeus, the boss, has to intervene. But Persephone eats some pomegranate seeds. Note: eating food from the underworld is like signing an eternal contract. Result: she spends half a year with Hades and half a year with her mother. That's why we have the seasons: winter when Persephone is in the underworld, spring when she returns. But seriously, was it love or a scam? Because Hades was kind of romantic in his own way, right? Educational fact: this myth, known as Homer's hymn to Demeter, reflects ancient Greek agricultural rituals, such as the Eleusinian mysteries, which celebrated the renewal of life and the immortality of the soul through the fertility of the earth. So, Team Hades or Team Persephone? Tell us in the comments if you think it was love or kidnapping. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and come and gossip more about Olympus with us.